Radome Tech is a deep tech company working towards developing AI-based tools for game changers. Radome Tech's core domain expertise in manufacturing and application expertise in artificial intelligence is a unique combination to solve challenging problems. We use machine learning, deep learning and computer vision to help the game changers achieve their business goals and improve their customer satisfaction. LogiSmart is another AI tool basically built to support supply chain and logistics operations. We have built demand forecasting, inventory forecasting and inventory optimization. Here the user can log in and upload or connect the existing enterprise database and perform machine learning operations. This tool will replace data scientists. This tool provides various data pre-processing steps, algorithms, hyperparameter tuning and also customized report generation. This tool will help you to shorten your model development time and leverage artificial intelligence for operations. We are in the process of building other modules like supplier performance prediction and route optimization. Along with products, Radome Tech will also offers AI as service. You can rely on Radome Tech as we are domain experts in manufacturing and experienced in leveraging artificial intelligence. We were winners of Defense India Startup Challenge. We were declared as one of the top 10 recommended AI startup in 2020. We are also the winner of NASSCOM's Manufacturing Innovation Challenge Season 2. Please log into our website or drop your contact to know more.